Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to get enrolled in Metro Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Metro Bank. Click on this first link over here. Now on the top right corner, we can see this login option. So let's tap on this and choose the banking type. Now over here on the bottom, we can see this option called New to Online Banking. Register here. So let's tap on this. Now click on register for online banking. Now we need to enter the 12th digit customer number here and enter the last 4 digits of your mobile number. Now we need to enter the code we have chosen while opening our bank account. Once this is done, simply click on continue. After this, we can create our new password and finally get to log in to Metro Bank online banking. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.